Offering zero emissions in electric vehicle mode, the highest total driving range, and the shortest charging time, the Prius Prime is the most advanced Toyota hybrid ever built, and you can plug it in and recharge it using a standard household outlet. From the back, the Prime looks great in premium white Blizzard Pearl with a bold taillight design, LED running lights, and tinted glass. Opening the hatch reveals a spacious cargo area that offers loads of room for your gear, along with a retractable security cover. For safety, the Prius Prime is equipped with Toyota's Star safety system that includes ABS brakes, traction control, smart stop technology, and brake assist. The Prime is fully equipped and includes climate control air conditioning, power windows and locks, heated seats and steering wheel, dynamic radar cruise control, fog lamps, rain sensing wipers, and tilt steering. The great sounding JBL audio system features a large touchscreen with XM radio, navigation, a heads-up display, Bluetooth, a backup camera, and EcoDrive monitor. The cabin feels spacious and modern. There's seating for 3 in the back, a convenient fold-down center console, and 60/40 folding seat backs. The fuel-sipping Prius is powered by a 1.8 Litre gas and 60 kilowatt electric drivetrain mated to a CVT automatic transmission. Call today and book your test drive in the latest plug-in Prius Prime or stop by for a look. We're at 1200 Leithhead Road in Kelowna.